Good morning, children. Sai Ram. I welcome you all in today's active English class. I hope you all have practiced degrees of comparison which we have learnt in the previous class. And I am sure you will be able to identify positive, comparative and superlative degree. Right? Very good. Today we will continue with chapter number 7. In this chapter, we are going to discuss countable and uncountable nouns. Children, you have already learned these concepts in grammar. So, I will just explain in short. Countable nouns are those that can be counted in numbers. I repeat, countable nouns are those that can be counted in numbers. For example, people, we can count people. 1, 2, 3 people we can count. Okay. Things, for example, erasers, pens, pencils, books we can count. Okay. And animals, for example, cats, dogs, we can count. Okay. So, countable nouns are those that can be counted in numbers. Is that clear? Then, uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted in numbers. Uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted in numbers. For example, water. We don't say 1 water, 2 water. Yes? So, water, milk, oil are the examples of uncountable nouns. Is that clear, children? Today we will discuss more or less concept. Children, can you see these two pictures on the screen? Who has more cars? Can you answer me? Who has more cars? Very good. Mohan has more cars than Prem. That means Prem has fewer cars than Mohan. Here, what are we doing? We are comparing two pictures, right? We are comparing two pictures. So, Mohan has more cars than Prem. That means Prem has fewer cars than Mohan. We use more for countable and uncountable nouns. That means more is common for countable and uncountable noun, whereas fewer should be used for countable nouns and less should be used for uncountable nouns. I hope this is clear. We'll see the answer. Now repeat after me. Mohan has more cars than Prem. Mohan has more cars than Prem. Prem has fewer cars than Mohan. Prem has fewer cars than Mohan. Good. Anu has dash oranges than Maya. Can you tell me the answer, children? Anu has dash oranges than Maya. Compare these two pictures. Very good. Anu has more oranges than Maya. Great. And Maya has fewer oranges than Anu. Okay. Anu has more oranges than Maya. That means Maya has fewer oranges than Anu. Okay. Repeat after me. Anu has more oranges than Maya. Anu has more oranges than Maya. Maya has fewer oranges than Anu. Maya has fewer oranges than Anu. Good. Raj has dash Radha. Raj has more books than Radha. Okay. And Radha has fewer books than Raj. Raj has more books than Radha. That means Radha has fewer books than Raj. Repeat after me. Raj has more books than Radha. Raj has more books than Radha. Radha has fewer books than Raj. Radha has fewer books than Raj. Good. Now we will compare these two pictures. Your ink is uncountable noun. Yes, ink is uncountable noun. Mohan has more ink than Prem. Who has more ink? Mohan has more ink than Prem. That means Prem has less ink than Mohan. Yes, Prem has less ink than Mohan. Here, less should be used because this is uncountable noun. Okay, ink is uncountable noun. So, less should be used. Come on, repeat after me. Mohan has more ink than Prem. Mohan has more ink than Prem. Prem has less ink than Mohan. Prem has less ink than Mohan. Very good, children. Now, Anu has dash water dash Maya. That means Anu has more water than Maya. Whereas Maya has less water than Anu. Very good. Okay. And yeah. Now repeat after me. Anu has more water than Maya. Anu has more water than Maya. Maya has less water than Anu. Maya has less water than Anu. Raj has dash milk dash. That means Raj has more milk than Radha. That means Radha has less milk than Raj. Yes, Raj has more milk than Radha. That means Radha has less milk than Raj. Repeat after me. Raj has more milk than Radha. Raj has more milk than Radha. Radha has less milk than Raj. Radha has less milk than Raj. Very good, children. Underline the correct word. You are supposed to underline the correct word. First of all, you need to see whether the given noun is countable or uncountable. Then only you will be able to write the correct answer. A glass holds dash water than a cup. Yes? Come on, tell me. A glass holds more or fewer or less water than a cup? Very good. More is the correct answer. A glass holds more water than a cup. Yes? Come on, repeat after me. A glass holds more water than a cup. A glass holds more water than a cup. Very good. A big book has dash pages than a newspaper. Paper is uncountable. Okay. So, a big book has more pages than a newspaper. Okay. More is the answer. A big book has more pages than a newspaper because more is common for countable and uncountable. Okay. So paper is uncountable. So the answer will be more. A big book has more pages than a newspaper. Right? Repeat after me. A big book has more pages than a newspaper. A big book has more pages than a newspaper. Very good. A car holds dash people than a bus. Yes, the noun is countable. Okay. People, that means countable noun. Okay. So, many people can sit in a bus, whereas a few people can sit in a car. Okay. So, a car holds fewer people than a bus. Understood? See, a car holds fewer people than a bus. Come on, repeat after me. A car holds fewer people than a bus. A car holds fewer people than a bus. Very good. A school has dash rooms than a house. A school has dash rooms than a house. Very good. More is the correct answer. A school has more rooms than a house. Repeat after me. A school has more rooms than a house. A school has more rooms than a house. Very good. A river has dash water than the sea. Now, river means water, that is uncountable noun. So, a river has, what will be the answer? More, fewer or less? Less is the correct answer. Very good. So, a river has less water than the sea. Okay. A river has less water than the sea. Repeat after me. A river has less water than the sea. A river has less water than the sea. A classroom has dash books than a library. Children, can you tell me, where do you find more books? In a library or in a classroom? Yes? Yes, in a library we find more books than a classroom, right? So, the statement will be a classroom has fewer books than a library. Okay, because books are uncountable now, right? Yes. So, a classroom has fewer books than a library. Repeat after me. A classroom has fewer books than a library. A classroom has fewer books than a library. Very good. A bucket holds dash sand than a lorry. Now, sand is uncountable noun. A bucket holds less sand than a lorry. Right. A bucket holds less sand than a lorry. Repeat after me. A bucket holds less sand than a lorry. A bucket holds less sand than a lorry. A tin holds more, fewer or less paint than a cup, children? A tin holds more or fewer or less paint than a cup. Very good. More is the correct answer. Very good. A tin holds more paint than a cup. A tin holds more paint than a cup. Children, repeat after me. A tin holds more paint than a cup. A tin holds more paint than a cup. Very good, children. Here we have completed chapter number 7. Keep revising. So see you in the next class. Till then, bye. Sai Ram.